very glad to introduce our newest product family, SECORA ID. It's a Java card-based flexible platform. How do we understand this? How flexible it is? And that is the demo we want to show here with concrete examples, how it is. So we understand, or we would like to introduce in two ways of this flexibility. On one side, it is a so-called ready-to-go solutions, meaning we have already including an applet collection and from us, and also the already existing applications from our partners. So meaning the solution is already working. So our customer don't have to do a lot of things. They just take the device, build into the card, and then it is working. How it works, I will show you later. On the other side, it is so-called the customization part. So if our customer is not 100% in the stage knowing what exactly they are going to do. For example, they want to start part of the function now and part of the function later on. And for this kind of special customization or local specific legal regulation or data and crypto functions, we also support our customer to realize this easily and quickly. And this is the way of this flexible Java platform we are going to offer in the SECORA ID family. Taking an example of a driving license, is look in this way. ID1 card with a chip inside. I like to show you how easily it is possible to make a driving license. So here is a demo. We have here exactly mentioned the so-called applet collection from Infineon and also the partner applets ready to go. Already we have done this. We have tested, we have verified according to the standard. Also, we are going to certify the security level is high. And then we just pick up what we need, simulating what our customer is doing. And then we know on the way, we take the driving license. And hopefully everybody get the right driving license on the way. But sometimes police don't believe that. And sometimes they say, oh, this guy is maybe driving too slow, what he's doing. Maybe it's not so correct, his behavior. So then please tell to this person and saying, oh, show me your driving license. And this policeman stop him and read the information out of a chip. And then he can see, oh, what his name of the, sometimes even ask, what's your birthday? To check if the person holds the card is really the person. The very special thing is the biometric. Now, nowadays, policeman has a mobile phone or the special camera with him, and he can verify this person driving the car, the real one, if it's the person he holds the document. In this way, he knows, oh, is a valid driver or not. So this is a very simple use case showing using this e-driver's license document for our policeman, for our on the way safety. Let's say it has an important meaning. In this way, we know that only the right one have the right access to the car. So this is how to use the driving license. Before that, usually this is a normal task of our clients also to create this kind of driving license, and we can show that it's also very simple. So we go to so-called enrollment. We are now at the stage of so-called personalization, also called enrollment. So that's the task is actually behind the e-driver's license, before the driving license arriving to the users. So what happens here is to bring the data of the final user into the chip. So we see here a simulation showing what kind of typical data here are not limited only to this. And then finally, all this information collected, we bring electronically to this chip. We just press this button, and you see within the several seconds, all the information will be coded according to the standards and then into the chip. And then this task is done. So one driving license is made within seconds. Another important feature of this product is that we support our customer to realize their feature, their wanted functions as quickly as possible. Why this is so important for us? Because we know in a lot of countries, for the EIDs, for this kind of EID document, there are a lot of legal regulations locally. This could be some special crypto functions are needed. This could be certain data are specially handled there in this country. This could be also handling of this product is differently. And this kind of specialty, we want to support and we can support with our portfolio. How we do that? And exactly with our platform very flexibly, and also with our engineers worldwide have the knowledge to support our customer to realize this kind of information. With this support, with the toolbox, with the engineering experience, and already using some certified functions, our customer can quickly reach to their target. So I can also show you in this demo how it can be done by an example here. So in this case, we are simulating a so-called EID functions. So using EID nowadays, for example, German EID, we can take this EID once we come back from traveling from Cannes from today back to the Germany, you can use your EID and enter the e-gate. And that is one of the important functions of German travel document. Now you don't have to take your passport in this case. But a German company, a German country may be thinking, oh, I need a special information of this document, so I can recognize it from Germany, or maybe it's from a certain category of travelers. And this kind of information, based on the local regulation, we can easily bring into our chip. And we simulate here a case that we bring this information in this interface into the chip. And this is again, we back to the enrollment procedure. And once this is done, and we can see how easily this information can be handled in the whole so-called cross-boarding activities. So in this way, we want to show you how easily it is as well to realize this special functionality. As mentioned before, it could be some crypto functions, it could be some data. We take an easy way of some data. So we here are handling a data. For example, we want to say this person I'm a special agent. And then we put this special agent's name or number, 007, James Bond number, and to this document. And in this way, we can bring in this special information and customization into the chip. Surely also my name, maybe also my document number. Also very important thing is biometric. As usual, I take a camera picture. It's me, okay? Then we bring in this information into the chip. So in this way, we can quickly also within the seconds to bring this specialty into the chip. Then finally, how we deal with this kind of specialty, how to use this kind of data and this kind of crypto function, etc. And then again, we came to the similar case of cross-boarding. So here, this person stands in the border, and based on this information, I'm a special agent. I have this information written in the chip and then be handled, read out from the system. The system recognized, oh, I can freely enter the gate without any hindrance. So this is the, let's say, another way to realize that these special functions that our customer in mind, we support them to realize that in an easy way. As we have seen with these concrete examples, already you have some imagination. You can think about, oh, actually it's quite easy to realize this, and this is exactly we want to offer. So to have a short conclusion, what we are going to do to support you to realize your business quickly and easily, we have here already ready-to-go solutions, already qualified, already tested, already certified, so then you can use it. And this is based on international standards. So the solution you can really bring into this e-document. This is one side. On the other side, if you have special needs, if you have special regulation in your local country, your clients have special needs, and this kind of specialty with our open platform and with our engineers worldwide, with our tools, we support you as quickly as possible so that these ideas can be also customized, can be also developed very quickly.
We're happy to launch today our SECORA ID platforms, which enable security printers and car manufacturers to progress further on their path towards the digitalizations of government applications.